Where are the customers? Slow meat sales causing worry. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, a man is dead and a woman wounded in deadly Spanish Town gun attack. And the police high command changes vehicle seizure policy. There's also Saturday sports special and weather in this newscast. So stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.